Hello, today we are going to discuss how to create an object group. So the question arises, why did we introduce object group? So to classify your fleet based on their functions, locations and other way you like it. So to doing so will simplify your fleet management as you will get the collective report, statistics and update for every object group. So this option is available into setting, into master and in object group. So currently we are onto the overview screen of the object group in which you will get an information for already created object group. So here group name and description information will be reflected, and to create a new object group you need to click on add new button. So let's create an object group. Here you need to define the company in which you need to create an object group. Here into the group name you need to define the group name based on your identifications and requirement. Based on that, you can add the additional informations for this group into the description part. Likewise, based on the selections of the company, you will get a drop down for the list of the objects that are available into that company. So now, if you want to bifurcate the object group into multiple group, that can be done as well. That is by selecting the multiple object, you can create a group for a company. So by saving this record, you will be able to save the object group. Now let's take an example for a clear vision. That is for the construction site, if there are multiple weak objects, that are total number of 50 objects are available, and based on that you want to create a group of 10 objects, that will be total number of 5 groups. So based on that you can identify, that is one group is for JCB, one is for earth mover, another is for a supply chain material. So like that you can bifurcate the groups into the system. So based on the creating of the object group, this information will be reflected onto the live tracking screen. Let's check that as well. So here onto the live tracking screen, you will get an option for the filters. So based on the filter, you need to select the group options, and based on the group, you will get an option for object groups, that is for which group you want to view those objects. So based on the selection of the group, you will be able to see those list of object onto the vehicle list. Likewise, you can select the multiple object group viewing onto the live tracking screen at a time. So based on that, you can view the different you can monitor your objects based on this options. So this by clearing this you will be able to navigate for the normal list that is available. So likewise, based on the tracking screen filter, we do have the filters onto the reports as well. So let's check that. So we are on the travel report, that is in activity and in travel. So here we do have the filter for a vehicle group. Based on the selections of the based on selecting of company and vehicle group, you will get a list of the vehicles, and based on applying the filter, you will get a list of the reports for that object group only. So this is how the groups are created. Object groups are created into software. Thank you.